So we've been spending a lot of time working on word problems, but sometimes it is just as important to be able to catch our mistakes as it is to be able to solve the problem in the first place. If we cannot look over our work and we cannot find our mistakes, then we're going to hand in things that are not correct. Okay? So here we go. Let's talk about Get the Goof. We haven't done this yet, but it's new and fun. All right. Why are we doing this? Royce, go ahead and read us the red one.
We can make mistakes and learn from them without being teased.
All right. We can make mistakes and learn from them without being teased. Lila, read us the blue one.
If used appropriately, errors are good for learning.
Yep, errors are great for learning. Let's see what that means. Rhoda, please read the green one.
We need to have willingness to make mistakes and persevere in overcoming them.
Do these sound oddly like our school values? I'd say so. Talik, go ahead and read that last one for us.
The problem-solving progress is just as important as getting the right answer in the end.
Ooh, that one's really important. That's the one that we all keep trying to skip. The problem-solving process is just as important as getting the right answer in the end. That's why we tell you all the time that you need to show your work. You need to draw a model. We need to understand how you're getting there. All right, norms. These norms are kind of like rules. Daniel, what is our red norm?
If you don't understand, ask a question.
All right, if we don't understand, ask a question. William, read us the blue one.
Listen carefully to others.
And Ilario, read us the green one.
If you disagree, give a reason.
Awesome. And Ayala, read us the purple one, please.
Okay. Value everyone's thinking.
Awesome. All right. Do we understand those norms? You understand the rules? Here we go. So our first job is to interpret the work. That means we need to look at somebody else's work, and then we're going to think, share, pair about what we notice. So things I want you to think about. What is the question they're answering? What did they do? And what did they find? Now, this is a question from one of your math tests that one of you did. So you've already solved this before and you know what it is. All right. So this is the question. What is the question this problem wants them to answer, Gilbert?
How long together?
All right, we want to know how long together. So remember, this is when we were talking about Jack and his vine. So he has a green vine that's 98 feet and a yellow vine that's 22 feet. How long together? All right, so this is one of your second grade work. What did this kid do? And what did they find? Rhoda?
So they took friendly and easy number jumps.
Okay, so they took friendly number jumps. I agree. All right. What else? Let's talk about what they did well. Let's phrase it that way.
What did they do well? They read like green line. They read the stuff they needed to, and they added it all up, but they missed on something.
Okay, so Michael said that they read it and they knew they needed to add. I'm going to add that their work is very neat, right? You can clearly see their jumps. Their jumps are labeled. You can see where they land. You can follow their thinking. So what is the goof? Where did they make a little mistake? You have two sentence frames you could try. I think the goof is blank because blank, or I'm not sure this work is correct because. All right, get your thoughts. I'm going to send you into breakout rooms real quick. And you guys are going to talk about where this kid made a goof. All right, as you're coming back into the main room, make sure you're muted. All right, so what was the goof? Where was the mistake in this second grader's thinking? Finley, where is the mistake in this kid's thinking? It looks like Nola got disconnected.
The goof in his thinking is when he was doing it, he added to 100 and then he added 10, and then it looked like he did he drew 10,010 and added on, and then he made that into 120.
Okay, so that 1,010 is one mistake. But let's think if he was trying to write 110, because 100 plus 10 would get us to 110. There's a mistake in the adding. Where is that goof? Michael?
The goof is that he made 2 2s.
Aha. So this kid decomposed his 22 feet. He knew he needed 2 jumps of 10 and 2 jumps of 1. But he did a 2 here. His 20 for 22 is right here. And then she did another jump of 2 1s. So was this kid on the right track? Yeah, this kid knew what to do. Did this kid make kind of a silly mistake where if he or she went back, they could have found this mistake? I agree.